Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do the one-to-one soil pH test that could be done in the classroom or in the field, as what you see here. And we've already went through step 3, where I tightly capped the vial and shook it 25 times. Now what we need to do is decant our mixture into the lid, and we want to go about 1/8 inch of soil water mixture in the bottom of my lid. Okay. If you want, you could have some hard surface here, but I just want to show you that you can do this virtually anywhere. Now we have our soil pH paper that you received in your soil bucket, and we need to make sure I get my hand firm on the ground and probably about a 45-degree angle. I'm going to try to break the tension of this. Sometimes it's like jello, so it's difficult, and what we're doing is having the water is moving up the strip, and you see a slight change in color. And you're going to do this for about a minute. The bottom part of the strip will be discolored from the soil water mixture, so we won't be able to read that. The very upper part that's changing color will not have gotten as much water, so when we measure this, we'll measure it just a little ways up from the discolored, soil colored area. So after about a minute, if we and it quits changing colors, we're going to go ahead and pull that out. You can tear it off, and then we simply take the strip and we're going to compare it to the color. In this case, I want to go directly above the soil color, and you'll see it's basically a yellow color, and then on up further it turns back to orange. But the reason we want to go lower on the paper is that's the area that had enough water contact to make the change in color. So we're right at a 7 to maybe just slightly lower than that, so probably about a 6.5 pH. And again, what you would do is record this in your table, in your educator guide, and go ahead and look at the various tables and see what impacts it has on nutrient uptake, crop productivity, all the other things that you'd want to interpret with this test.